So continuing with what we learned yesterday, yes, we were learning about rhyming words. Yes, so what we're doing, you made some nice rhyming words. I saw some of your work. Yes, so what were we doing in rhyming words? How were we making rhyming words? Yes, yes, by changing the beginning sound of the word. Yes, the middle and the end sound remained the same, and we just kept on changing the beginning sound. So as we can see here, this is a picture of a tap. Yes, so I've written the sound tap, t, a, p. Yes, this word tap consists of three sounds. It is made up of three sounds. Yes, when these three sounds came together, they made the word tap. What are the three sounds that came together? T, a, p. See, three. T, a, p. Yes, these three sounds came together to make the word tap. Now, in this, what is the beginning sound? Yes, the beginning sound is the starting sound, the first sound. Yes, so the first sound in the word tap is t. Yes, so that's called the beginning sound, the starting sound, the first sound. Yes, so the first sound in the word tap is t. The next one, a, is the middle sound. Yes, it's in the middle of the word. So that's the middle sound. Beech mein hai ye sound. Yes, so that's the middle sound of the word. And the last one, the ending sound in the word tap is p. Yes, p is the last sound, the ending sound. Yes, so any word consists of these three sounds. Every word will have a beginning sound, some middle sounds, and the ending sound. Yes, so in the word tap, the beginning sound is t, the middle sound is a, and the ending sound is p. Yes, so let's focus on the beginning sound for today. What is the beginning sound in the word tap? It is t. Okay, now let's have a look at a few more pictures and study what are the beginning sounds in the word, in that word. For today, let's just focus on the beginning sound of each of these words. Okay, I want you to focus on the first sound, the starting sound of each of these words. Let's start this with this one. Yes, what are these? These are pins. Let's read it. P, I, n. P, I, n. Pin. Now, in the word pin, what is the beginning sound? Is p the beginning sound, I the beginning sound, or n the beginning sound? Yes, what's the beginning sound? The first sound is p. Yes, the beginning sound, the starting sound in the word pin is p. Let's come to next one. Yes, this is a picture of a dog. D, O, G. D, O, G. Dog. Now, in the word dog, what is the starting sound? What is the beginning sound? Dog. Yes, the beginning sound in this word is D. Let's go to the next one. This is a pot. Yes, let's read the word. P, O, T. P, O, T. Pot. Now, in the word pot, what is the beginning sound? P is the beginning sound. So let's take the next one. This is a tin. Tin. Let's read the word. T, I, n. T, in. Tin. Yes, now in the word tin, what is the beginning sound? T is the beginning sound in the word tin. That's the starting sound. Let's take the next one. Yes, this is a picture of a mat. At. mat. Yes, in the word mat, what is the beginning sound? You read the word and listen to it carefully. Mat. Yes, the beginning sound is mm. The next one, it's a picture of a man. 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 Yes, what's the beginning sound in the word man? The beginning sound is Let's come to the next one. This is a map. 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 Now in this word map, what is the starting sound? What is the first sound that you hear in the word map? It is Yes, let's take this one. It's a picture of a pan. 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 Now in the word pan, what is the starting sound? What is the beginning sound? Pan. Yes, the first sound in the word pan is p. Yes, that's the beginning sound. So today we just focused on the beginning sound of these words. Children, for homework, today I want you to focus on the beginning sound of the word. Yes, every word you learn that has 3 sounds. It has a beginning sound, it has middle sounds, and it has an ending sound. Yes, so in today's sheet, I want you to only focus on the beginning sound. Okay, so you are only going to color the beginning sound of that word. Okay, let's take it. Now, what is this image? It's the picture of a sun. Now, when you have said the word, say it twice or thrice and listen to it carefully. Sun. Sun. Now, in the word sun, what is the beginning sound? What is the starting sound? किस sound से शुरू होता है वो word? Sun. Yes, the first sound in the word sun is s. Yes, so you color the beginning sound. You have to find the sound s. Here it is, and you color it. Okay, the next is a picture of a pig. Now the word pig. What is the starting sound in the word pig? Yes, you have to find it. You have to listen to it carefully. Pig. Yes, the starting sound in the word pig is p. So you have to find the sound p here now. This is p. Yes, that's the beginning sound, and you color it. Next one is a picture of an ant. Ant. Yes, now in the word ant, the beginning sound is a. Yes, so let's find the sound a. Here it is, and you color it. Yes, we color the beginning sound. The next here is a picture of an ink pot. So we just say it as ink. 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 Now the word ink again begins with the sound I. Yes, can we find the beginning sound I here? Yes, here it is. So you color it. Yes. The next picture is of a tent. Tent. What's the beginning sound in the word tent? What's the first sound that you hear? Tent. Yes, the beginning sound is t. So search for the sound t here. Here I got it. So you color the sound t. Last picture is of a nest. Yes, there are some eggs which has been laid by a bird. It's the nest. Now the word nest. What's the beginning sound? What's the starting sound in the word nest? It is nest. So the beginning sound is Can we search for the sound here? Yes, I got it. So you color the beginning sound. Yes, so in this sheet you have to recognize the picture, say aloud its name. Yes, say it twice or thrice and listen to it carefully and try to hunt for the beginning sound of that word. Okay, so if you find that sound here, just color it. Okay, so you can complete the sheet in your literacy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.